Majesty. From ruin to majesty, a transformation tale.
Primary instability is in this pillar here. Yeah. We reinforce that, then we can move the debris. Copy that, focusing on pillar reinforcement. The primary structural arch, if we reinforce it here.
Verified. Match with the digital model.
Excellent progress. We're ahead of schedule. This is looking magnificent. Almost done, team. Keep up the pace.
The data indicates the arch is unstable.
We need to reinforce it before moving the larger sections.
Watch the truck coming through the gate.
The measurements align perfectly now.
The geometry aligns perfectly. The keystone should fit now. Look, it's finished.
The alignment isn't perfect. We'll need to adjust the keystones here.
We'll reinforce the arches, then raise the upper courses.
Confirmed. Let's proceed.
Whoosh!
Look! What in the world is happening? It's beautiful. The blueprints show these walls.
I think this green piece fits here perfectly. Yes, that connects the pattern well. And then the border tile goes right here.
The tree needs to go there.
Yeah.
Yes, I've marked it on the plans.
Watch your step. That's perfect, team.
The positioning needs to be precise here.
We've marked the alignment on the terrace. It's ready.
Before, a ruin. Now, majesty. From ruin to majesty, a transformation tale.